there we go, that's your campsite reception. This is the area where you come in through the kind of farm, shop and cafe. There's Debbie already busy doing the shopping. Look at that, bacon, cakes, fresh made cakes. Look at that, guys. Fresh made cakes. Yes.
That's the cafe, unfortunately it's not open.
Yeah, cafe's not open at the moment, it's takeaway only. There's another picture of the beach we went to. Yeah, stunning beach. Absolutely stunning.
Show them we've got ice cream.
Whoa.
Do you want to get some ice cream for our freezer?
I think we should get a little bit of ice cream.
Sea salt in it.
Oh.
Vanilla and sea salt.
Oh.
I don't know. Come on.
I might have to go back and get some more of this vanilla one.
Get another spoon so I don't double dip. I'll have
And some
double
more
dip.
sea salt. Caramel, so that's beautiful.
It's so smooth.
Here we go. Oh, really smooth. That's not like your supermarket ice cream, that's just... What's this one?
Caramel and sea salt.
Caramel and sea salt ice cream.
Oh my god.
I think we might have to go back and get some more.
That's Scotland.
That's
Scotland.
Loch Ness.
Loch Ness.
That's
That was Aviemore, the reindeer,
yeah,
and the squirrel is New Forest.
New Forest.
New Forest. And the dolphin.
Lynn's.
Lovely.
She loved dolphins.
There we go. Just ordered from the cafe takeaway a lasagna and chips. One vegetable lasagna and chips. Oh, another lasagna and chips. Right from the cafe up there, takeaway. Perfect. And we're back. Oh no. Bad timing.
What?
7 minutes.
Ah. Well, we can have a walk around there then.
We'll have a quick walk around. Oh, 6 minutes now. Ah, here we go. Dog walk. So the sign's a bit hidden, so it is.
Oh.
You must scoop the poop. This area will be closed something. It's a bit scratched up, but that's your dog walking area.
Ah, perfect.
So there's obviously a track around the edge, so you can walk around there. Great for our dogs. They can have a right good blast in there, can't they?
Yeah, that's what they need.
Zero, time's up. Get the washing out. Time to get the washing out, get it back to the site, get it hung up, get it dry.
Show you the facilities, it's great. Over here is where you wash all your dishes and stuff. It's really clean, nicely kept. Hand sanitizer there. That's the ladies. I'll show you the women's. This is very clean. Here we go, in the women's. Lots of, actually the showers are lovely. Very nice, you've got a changing area there. Toilets, again, lovely and clean. In fact, it looks like they're being cleaned now. There's quite a lot as well, facility wise. There's loads of showers. And back out onto the site. View. Now, there's another cleaning area in here. I suppose it must be from when it's raining, which is undercover, which is great. The facilities are amazing.
Look at this, look at this. A man's work's never done.
That's empty.
Yeah, I've done that one.
Hello.
We've got friends.
Oh,
We've got friends.
good God, he's
Hello.
we're going back to the shop to get some supplies, aren't we?
Heavy cake. That's what we're going back for. We're going back for heavy cake. Went to the shop for a couple of slices of cake. As you can see, we kind of came out with a little bit more than a couple of slices of cake.
Yeah, quite heavy this bag.
2 heavy bags, £25 later.
Local new potatoes,
But yeah, they sell all the local farm produce, don't they? So everything from the
Yeah.
farm, potatoes,
bacon.
meat. So we picked up bacon, we picked up sausage. We'll show you guys in a minute when we get back what we picked up. But yeah, looks like we're going to have a good breakfast tomorrow, doesn't it?
We're driving tomorrow, we haven't got a breakfast.
Uh-oh.
We got local Cornish potatoes. Look at those bad boys, they look ace. And we got garlic and butter chicken breast. And then chipolata sausages.
Fresh from the farm.
Local English dry cured rineless back bacon, tin plum tomatoes, 3 giant pieces of heavy cake, and half a dozen free range eggs, which we tried this morning. They were amazing. They were really bright orange. Oh, and some I can't say it. Trevedra dairy butter, Cornish cream.
What about the juice?
And Britvic.
And for afters, toilet roll. We've just put our order in for 2 pizzas for 6:30. Well, brilliant idea. So let's see how good the pizza really is. Here we go. 2 nice looking pizzas on the way back to the van. Let's see what it's like, eh?
Yeah, can't wait, mouth watering.
Wow! Can't wait.
Free capriosa.
Yeah, that's the one.
And then we've got the gluten-free margarita.
Let's have a look at that one. That's
Have a
what
look
we
at this
ordered.
bad boy.
Wow, checking out wood-fired pizzas. One of the things this campsite boasts is access to the beach. So if you're looking to come and stay on this site, we'll show you now how we get down to the beach.
This is the beach. It's the walk to the beach. I wouldn't recommend if you're not steady on your feet, because these steps are lethal. It's very steep. This is Trevedra Beach. You can see, absolutely stunning. We're probably going to cause absolute chaos now with 3 dogs. Catch you in a minute. A hike down to the beach, and it's not for the faint-hearted. I am not looking forward to the walk back up.
But also we've travelled a long way, and this is one of the highlights and the things we've really been looking forward to is a real Cornish pasty. And here we go. I can't help but film this bit, guys.
There's one seasoning in there, something for Dad. Cornish pasty!
That's it, all done, 3 nights.
Yeah, so it was really lovely. We've decided to give it a 9 out of 10. The only downside was the walk to the beach for anyone that's not able, because it's a tough one if you're not fit. But apart from that, lovely place, well worth staying at. We'll drive you out now. Bye.